In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use advanced search in Asana. If you're looking to become more proficient with Asana and harness its powerful search capabilities, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the specifics on how to make advanced searches work for you. First, let's talk about accessing advanced search. The first thing you need to do is click into the search bar, which you can find located at the very top of your Asana window. This is where you'll begin your search. Clicking on this bar will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From these, you'll want to select Advanced Search. Choosing this option will open up a dedicated window. This is your workspace for constructing a precise and tailored search query. The beauty of this feature lies in its ability to help you locate exactly what you need amidst all your projects with greater accuracy. Now, let's move on to building your search query, which involves adding filters. The advanced search window is specifically designed to let you combine multiple filters or criteria to pinpoint exactly what you're looking for within your projects. This means you can set various conditions that a task must meet, and only those tasks that fit all these criteria will appear in your search results. The system uses what we call AND operators, which means every condition you add plays a crucial role. For example, you might be searching for tasks that are assigned to a specific person, due within the next week, and part of a particular project. Simply put, the task has to meet all these conditions for it to show up in your results. As you build your filters, keep in mind that the more specific you are, the narrower your results will be, which is excellent for honing in on exact tasks. But if you're looking to cast a wider net, you might choose to use fewer criteria. Asana's advanced search empowers you to explore different angles of your projects fairly flexibly, ensuring you're both productive and organized. In summary, mastering the advanced search feature in Asana will undoubtedly enhance your project management skills. By accessing the advanced search via the search bar and thoughtfully constructing your query with multiple filters, you can significantly refine your search results. You'll save time and boost efficiency by focusing only on the tasks and elements that truly matter. That's all for today's tutorial. With practice, these steps will soon become second nature, making your project management more seamless and effective. Don't forget to try it out and see how it can fit into your workflow routines. Thanks for tuning in, and happy searching.